Hi, welcome back. Well, we picked up another little toy for around the farm here for blowing out the driveway. This is a Bolens H1502 tractor here, made by the Iseki. Made in Japan. They made them for Bolens, Massey Ferguson, Whites. All basically the same tractor. This is a exact same model as a Iseki 2140. Has a 3-cylinder Mitsubishi diesel engine in it. Has the K3A engine. This is pretty neat little tractor here. Has the Category 1 hitch on it here. And it has hydraulic levers for operating the blower up and down, and the hydraulic chute. This is a hydrostatic transmission here, forward and reverse, with a high and low range in it, and a 2-speed PTO over there, 540, 1000 on the lever there. And this is a pretty neat little tractor, and it's in really good shape, being from 1988 or 87, I think. And it only has 446 hours on it. Runs off of the front of the engine there with belt drive for PTO for either a deck or for the blower. That's pretty nice little system there. And this is a Bolens 17451 blower, made by Burvac, not Burco, Burvac. They're the same as the Kubota B2551s. They either had this in the for front mount, or slide into these tubes on each side there, 3-point hitch mount. Yeah, this is a nice little tractor here. Couldn't pass it up. Sheet metal's real nice on it. Thinking we're going to get rid of that Craftsman snowblower. Use this for blowing out our driveway, since it's a 51-inch. That's a heavy-duty blower there. Not small. The only thing I'm going to be looking for maybe is a shield for the muffler there, because this is your engagement for that front PTO. Pulls on a cable and it pushes over a idler pulley to tighten up those belts. And it is kind of getting close to that muffler there. But even after running it for a while, you put your hand right on it, it's kind of like insulated, this muffler. And it's real quiet too. Let me start it up here. Shouldn't have to glow plug it, but let's see. Turn the key on. Runs really good. I was going to trade the 640 tractor for it, but the guy didn't want to go for that. Has four-way flashers on it there, headlights, of course, and the roll bar. Overall, it's a really nice machine, not all beat up or anything. So we're gonna have some use for this. I'll do some more videos on it there. Got to change the oil in it, and then I got to change the hydraulic filters, make sure those are all good for that hydrostatic. That's some heavy wet snow there. Let's see how it does. I had to put some weights on the back end of it there. It looks pretty good. Yeah, so she works pretty good at blowing there. Just have to wait until get some snow in the driveway. We're just playing around, testing it out right now. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to have some more videos on this. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.